Alright, so here's a package from Z1, guys. Let's take this off. Yeah, here they are, guys. So here's the first one. Oh, this one doesn't even have covering on it. Wrench right here. And we're going to be simply taking these off. Boom. There's the first one. Second one's right here. And there's the second one. And then for our last one, I had one of these 5 and 16, 10 mil right here. And then once you get this bad boy taken off, then you can just pull the headlights straight out. Yeah, this way, my bad. Okay.
Alright guys, so this part of the video is the left hand side of the tail light, and if you have a Morimoto fourth brake light or any type of brake light that has those type of connections and you're connecting it to your rear tail light, all you have to do is connect 4 connections. So you're just splicing the connection from the fourth brake light to your tail lamp. So now it's going to be red to red is going to connect, green to green, and it's going to be white to yellow, and then your last one is black to black. As long as you do that, splice it together and plug it in, you're good to go.
Make sure you guys put it on the right way. These gold little screws up into here. Make sure that you do it properly.